a meme coin that you would like to sell. Okay, maybe you are giving a meme coin or you buy a meme coin and it's on your Ston.fi wallet. Okay, and this is how you are going to swap it using the Ston.fi. That is what I normally use. If I'm not using my crypto bot, I'm using Ston.fi because that is what I trust when it comes to Ton. Okay, so first thing you have to do, like what I do, is to get your Ton wallet, which is very, very important. You can either get it on Play Store, on App Store, or your Chrome extension and import your Ton wallet. Make sure you keep your key phrase safe. Okay, so it is so important. Next thing is go to swap. Okay, so here is the swap. As it's called the Ston.fi. Just go to app.ston.fi and click on swap. Now you are going to connect your wallet right here. It will ask you to connect your wallet. So let me log this out first. So we ask to connect your wallet. So click on recent and click on browser extension. It's going to show that one and click on connect. It might sometimes ask you to input your password. All you just need to do is to input your password. Okay, now after you have input your password, the next thing is to locate your coin. Now which coin did I want to swap? So I have fish right here that I would like to swap. Now go to your Stone, your wallet. So all you just need to do is to click on it right here and locate the one that you want to swap. So let's say I want to swap this fish meme coin. Okay, and I want to click on 100%, like I want to swap everything. So select to receive what. You can either select the USDT, this is USDT archive, or select the USDT, or even select Stone. Click on it and click on, as you can see, this is total amount of money that we're going to swap. Click on swap. Okay, after you click on swap, confirm your swap and everything is going to convert. So I'm looking for a way to be holding this thing right here. Okay, and I don't know if they have it in their pool right here, if it's available on their pool right here. So let me see if it's available on their pool right here in which I can stake. Okay, it's available, and maybe we can talk about this thing in our next tutorials on how to prevent liquidity like that. Okay, so for this we are just swapping our meme coin into Ton or maybe USDT. So that is how this one is. So thanks for watching. If you're watching this for the first time, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to on notification bell because you don't want to miss another episode. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.